Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Paper Rose Studio has a fun new collection called Hop into Spring. It's perfect for spring or Easter cards. With Easter just around the corner, I wanted to show you the products I received. I have these papers on my desk right now, so hopefully I'll have a card video very soon. If you're interested in the products, I do have links in the description box below. Most of Paper Rose's collections include two different paper packs, the original and a basics. And that's the same with this one, Hop into Spring. So I'm showing you the original first, and I have the 6x6 size, but both are also available in 12x12 paper. The 6x6 paper collection includes 18 double-sided pattern papers. Very colorful, cheerful. There are adorable critters, beautiful florals. Several sheets include cut-apart images and sentiments. And even if you don't make Easter cards, I think there are enough designs in the paper pack that you could use for spring or just cards throughout the year. So there's a look at the 12 different designs, and then the final 6 papers are just repeats. So now I'll show you the Hop into Spring basics. And you can use each of the paper pads individually, or you can mix and match them together, and that's what I usually do. The basics collections usually include more tone-on-tone and smaller icon designs. There aren't any cut-apart sheets in this paper pad. So we have the watering can with florals, lots of tone-on-tone polka dots, diagonal stripes. I love the little chocolate bunny. The purple and pink diagonal stripes are fun. Here's a lovely floral. There's also a green diagonal stripe, a pretty plaid. There's a blue polka dot, and then finally cupcakes and donuts. There are several coordinating embossed die cut packs. I have 3 of them. Paper Rose also has a coordinating cut apart pack. I don't have that one. If you enjoy fussy cutting, the cut aparts are a great option. Plus it includes multiples of each design, so you have more images and sentiments to use. The first embossed die cut pack I'll show you is Hop into Spring Tags and Tickets. All of the embossed die cut packs include 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. So no fussy cutting required, you simply pop out the images and sentiments. And every single piece has that gorgeous glossy embossed detail. The next pack is Hop into Spring. This set doesn't include any sentiments, but there are lots of really fun Easter and spring images. So let me pull out the 4 sheets so you can see what's included. And all of the die cuts match perfectly with the pattern paper. Many of the images on this set include Easter eggs. There are Easter eggs in a wreath, Easter egg garland, a basket full of Easter eggs. There are some around a bunny that's reading a book. There are even some Easter eggs around the boots filled with flowers. The final set is called Hop into Spring Treats. This set does include a few sentiments, but it's mostly images. Many of their collections only have the 2 embossed die cut packs, so it's always fun when they include a 3rd one. And this treat set is very cute. The first sheet has the sentiment suite and all kinds of yummy goodies. Second sheet has the sentiment excellent, more fun goodies. And we have spring and Easter. And there are so many fun food images, from donuts, cakes, there's a chocolate bunny, ice cream, pancakes, muffins, and more. The final 2 items I have from the Hop into Spring collection are the Quick Cards collection and the coordinating Quick Cards die cuts. The die cut pack is exactly the same as what's included in the Quick Cards collection. You can use them individually, or you can pick it up so you have multiples when you're making your cards. And since there's a ton of pattern paper in the Quick Cards collection, it never hurts to have that second pack. So here's a look at everything that's included in the Quick Cards collection. There's an inspiration sheet. It shows 6 different card samples. And the way they have everything designed, it's super easy to quickly assemble a bunch of beautiful cards. You can always keep the cards very simple, or you can add extra elements and step up the design. Here are the 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. It's a mix of the tags, tickets, plus a bunch of sentiments and these large round images with a colored frame. The sentiments included are perfect for Easter, spring, plus they've mixed in some general sentiments. I see a hello, happy birthday, thinking of you, thanks, cheers, and more. Now here's a look at the pattern paper. There are 18 double-sided sheets, and these are 6 by 8 inches in size. And what's so fun about the Quick Cards pattern paper, you can simply cut the sheet in half to get 2 backgrounds for an A2 size card. Or if you make larger size cards, the papers are perfect. The backside has more muted tone-on-tone patterns. And I love that they included at least 1 wood grain. That's always my favorite. I've used many of the Quick Card collections, and you can make a ton of cards. I'll be sharing a video very soon where I use the Quick Cards with a different paper rose collection. I'm just waiting for it to be back in stock, and then I'll share the video with you. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have links in the description box below. Coming soon, I'll be sharing a video using the Hop into Spring collection. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.